boys and girls, welcome to Gorn Guitar and to a song from Daniel Caesar. It's called Who Knows? And that's a good question. Sometimes in life now we're gonna look into this tutorial and see if anybody out there can learn this song, Who Knows? So let's go into it. And as you can see, capo first, absolute best scenario for us to match up with the sound. If you don't have any capo, then skip that one and follow the same chords. It will not sound exactly because it will be obviously a little bit darker, but the chord on this is the correct chords, and that's the most important thing. So let's go with capo first if you have one and learn the chords together. We're gonna start with the C add 9. Okay, so that goes third A, second D, open G, third B, and open E. Next is the D7 sus2, a long name for a very simple chord. And it goes open D, second G, first B, and open E. Simple to handle, okay? Next is the F major 7. So from that D7, you just add on this third fret D string, and that's the F major 7. So that gives us third D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the F minor 7, a variation of it. Okay, so it goes third D, second G, third B, and first E. Perhaps I said second G, it's my fault, it's the first G. That's of course the first G. So again, third D, first G, fourth B, and first E. That is the correct position. All right. And then we're gonna move on to the chords we use in the bridge. Okay, so that is C. You're gonna play third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the C major 7, and that is just to take away this first fret B string, make that open. So that gives us third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C7. Okay, so that goes third A, second D, third G, first B, and open E. We also got the E minor 7. So that is all strings open except from that second fret A string. Otherwise, all strings incorporated and all is open. And then finally we have the A minor 7. And that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so there we have all the chords. It's a lot of chords here actually, because we use them in the bridge part, half of them. So anyway, let's learn how to handle them in a strumming pattern. So we're gonna start with the C add chord. So let's grab that one, and we have a two-part strumming here. The first part is the 2 downs. So down, down, and that's it. So that's part 1. And part 2 comes up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So up, up, down, and then down, up, down, up. So together it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so let's start the song. And we have this main pattern. Besides from the bridge part, later on we're gonna play this main pattern throughout the song. So it has 2 halves to it, so to speak. The first half is to play C add 1 string around, the D7 sus2 1, the F major 7 1, and back to C add 1. That's the first half. Let's do it together. Okay, so with 1 I mean of course 1 full round, not part 1, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. That is 1. Now the second half in this main pattern, both verse and chorus play, doesn't matter, this is the main pattern played in the song, is to play C add 1, the D7 1, and now comes the F minor 7 1, and back to C add 1. So let's play that together. And there we have the main pattern. All right, so you just keep on rolling that till about 2 minutes and 8 seconds in. It's where we are in the lyrics. I forgot to bring them. And nevertheless, we have it's about 2 minutes and 8 seconds in. And yeah, we're gonna play now the C, 1, the C major 7, 1, the C7, 1, and F major 7, 1. Then comes the F minor 7, 1. And this is the reason now why we have two-part strumming. You're going to play E minor, part 1, the down, down, and the A minor 7, part 1, the down, down. And then you're going to continue with the D7, 1 full round, and the F minor 7, 1 full round. And that is the bridge part. After that, my friends, you just go back to the main pattern and play that till the very end. And that is how I handle Daniel Caesar's Who Knows. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Hope it was helpful. And if it was, then support me here on Chord Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. Next time, play tuned.